Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our podcast, RB Talks. In this episode, we are going to be interviewing Roger, and he's currently studying at high school. And a year ago, he went to Erasmus. And we're also going to be interviewing my partner Sonia, who went on the same project the year before.
Was it difficult to spend time away from home?
Jo vaig anar fa 2 anys a Budapest i la veritat que no em fa va anar res, en plan, sincerament no em va costar, ja que estava acostumbrada sempre a estar a casa sola i sí que és veritat que va ser una experiència única, però no, a la vegada no.
I was went to Bologna, and for me, yes, was difficult because it was the first time that I went to another country alone. But then I get used to.
Where were you working?
I was working in Tiffany's in the center of Bologna in Via Independencia in a very beautiful, nice store. That was very beautiful.
Jo vaig treballar al CIA, estava al centre de la ciutat i com era al centre hi havia molta gent i la veritat que s'estava bé i estava treballant com reponedora de roba i atendent a la gent.
Can you describe your experience in 3 words?
Sí. Party, companyerisme i amistat.
Learning, happiness, and friendship.
What was the best part of your experience and the worst?
The best part was when the eight of us, we are together and we go to walk or dinner together. And the worst part was when we got lost in a town outside of Verona.
La millor part d'anar a Budapest és que com jo mai havia anat a ningun altre país, era una experiència única i la veritat que m'ha agradat molt, sobre tots els monuments i tots els carrers i tot, i les figurites que hi ha pels carrers, que les tens que anar trobant i tot això. I la pitjor és que era l'hora del dinar o del sopar, ja que menjaven a les 12 i sopaven a les 7, ja que aquí a Espanya no es dina tan temprà, sinó a les 10 o 11, depèn de les famílies.
Did you have difficulties communicating with the people?
Per la meva part, sí. En italià, com és més fàcil la comunicació, ja que és molt paregut al català o l'espanyol, és més fàcil comunicar-se. Però a Hongria, la veritat és que és molt complicat perquè tens que parlar sí o sí l'húngaro. Si no parlaves, la gent no entendia res a l'anglès i tenies que comunicar-te com podies.
The first days, yes, because it's difficult, but then the people of there understands Spanish and it's more easy to communicate.
And the final question is, what advice would you give to someone who's thinking about going to Erasmus?
That make the most of the opportunity because it's a great experience that you are learning a lot of things and you are enjoying a lot.
Per a mi sí que la podria per a altres, ja que és una experiència única, pots visitar uns altres països, et donen l'oportunitat d'aprendre altres idiomes i és l'experiència única que et portes a part de visitar i de treballar.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching.